the classification, the laws related to them, examination of the offender, examination of the victim, and then different type of sexual perversions. It also includes abortions, then infanticide. Okay? So these are all the topics which will come under the heading of medico-legal aspect of sex in forensic medicine. So in your first module, the last topic which we are going to discuss is this, and almost 4 to 5 lectures of this topic is going to be held before your vacations and before your module. So the first topic is virginity. Basically, before starting the topic, I just want to enforce the fact that it basically doesn't make any difference if the female is virgin or the female is not a virgin, if we are deciding for the punishment of the offender, or we are deciding either the act has been taken place or not. But before that, before 2021, and even now in India, they basically have all type of tests where the estimation of the virginity of the female is established, and after that they will see either it is defloration because of the rape or because of any other type of sexual intercourse. But in Pakistan, the Supreme Court, first of all, Lahore High Court, Justice Aisha, and then the Supreme Court decided the fact that the virginity test, which is also known as two-finger test or the digital examination, is not needed, because this test does not have any medico-legal importance. It does not have any scientific value. We have advanced technologies to do that. So, and secondly, the most important thing is that if the law is not giving any specific type of importance on the fact that if she is a married girl or she is not a virgin because of any reason, it doesn't mean that she is not having the legal implementation which she has. Like, she has the right, even a prostitute has the right of defaming the person. Like, she can say that I am having that because of any without consent. So the basic concept of virginity is not there now. ये बार बार पता नहीं क्यों कनेक्ट हो जा रहा है, नहीं हो रहा, ये करना कि सलामत को बुलाओ. अच्छा, सो उसमें बेसिकली जो हमने लेकिन डिस्कस करना है, एज यू ऑल नो, बिकॉज ऑफ योर द कंटेंट्स ऑफ योर सिलेबस, it is required you to know about the basic differences of false virgin, true virgin, what is meant by the virgo intacta, what is meant by the defloration. These all acts should be known by the person. That's why we are going to discuss that. But as I'm telling you, legally, lawfully, इसकी अब importance नहीं है. So the term virgo intacta basically means a female who has not having any type of sexual intercourse in her life, entire life. It is known as the virgo intacta. But what are the points by which you can differentiate it? That can be because of the genital factors, that can be because of the other factors which we can discuss. Like, the full body of the female is basically examined in that cases, where you have to differentiate between these two. But the total thing is mainly on the genitalia, where different parts of genitalia are basically going to discuss. Maybe यहाँ से